Okay, go.
So this is Curtis Tango again, and it's exciting to be the first team again. So let me show you our app again. So basically, you may still remember our name is Curtis Tango, but what does that mean? We mean credit card, discount, and Pokemon Go. And let me show you how does it work. So basically, we offer two types of services to our customers. Basically, they can use credit card they can know more about the credit card discount information. For example, when I click here, they will know that there is a 10% off discount by their HSBC card in Lanham Place nearby. Okay, and then furthermore, they can know that the place details, for example, the contact details, as well as the street, and then how they can activate the discount. On the other hand, we also provide a gamified experience to them. By that we mean Pokemon Go. For example, when you see that there is a treasury box, when the user walk around the treasury box, it can enable the treasury box like this. So you can see that when we click here, that will be the popcorn, and when we further click here, the discount appears. So in that way, they can capture the discount, and then they can use it in whatever store that we partner with. And for example, they can also use the filter by filtering out their card as well as the type of shops that they want to see. And this is our user profile. So basically, this is the cost-saving boy. You can see he is price elastic, he loves saving, and he's a game lover. So that is the customer that we are targeting. And then they can store their card information here so that they can filter out, and then they can also check out what discount they are currently having.
Yeah, and we would like to get a bit of touch of some questions that we are not able to answer before. So we have a brief introduction of our team and how we divide the work. And here is our team. We're proud to present. Elvis and I'm Calvin, and we're responsible for the business development, idea generation, and this is our app development team. So basically, they have the UI, UX confirmed, and then divided the app into different functions and split the work together. So that's how we come up with the whole thing in 36 hours. And then we are the team from HAU, having a diverse background from business, finance, computer science, and we have prior experience on banks, a credit card company, which we can utilize to build up some relationship to develop our app in later stage as well.
Yeah. Regarding a previous question about whether we interview our customers before, we didn't interview them before because we don't have the time, but we did market research before. And we see that actually there are over 40% of customers who use credit cards because of the rewards. That is exactly what we're targeting in Hong Kong. And then of these people, like more than 60% of them don't know which card is the best for them. They don't even know. And there are more than 80% of them don't even know what discount offerings are nearby when they have their credit cards. So that's why we are very confident that there is a very huge market in Hong Kong. And for the credit card market size in Hong Kong, it is actually, we're talking about 600 million Hong Kong dollar market size. And then each Hong Kong people, they own more than 2.5 credit cards. So we are also very confident that with our team expertise in banking, in insurance companies, and in regulations, design, and computer science, we are able to deliver. Thank you.
Thank you.
We need a mic. Where's the other mic?
Thank you. So I'm going to go to your last line, which is you all have experience in banks and regulations, etc. But you're all doing your bachelor's undergrad, right?
Yeah.
So what experience do you have?
Yeah. So talking about
Just curious to know what kind of experience have you got?
Basically, in my year one, I worked with Citibank on a FinTech project about insurance tech. I worked as a project assistant for 6 months, and then I helped them to do the UAT for the project, and I know about the banking system as well as the regulations.
So it's basically internships that you all
Internship,
Okay.
yeah.
So the next question is very quickly is, you're going to be having a lot of customer data and financial data. If it's credit cards, one of the biggest problems for apps is about how you're going to secure that data, right? So how will you provide, have you thought about it, one? And two, if you have, what would you think will go into securing that data?
So you're talking about like how we can secure our customer data and then protect them.
Yeah.
So basically, in our application, we ask our customers to store their credit card information, but we won't do transaction over our application. We just ask them to install their credit card information, for example, the bank code, so that we know that which bank of credit card they are using, and so that's why they can filter out their credit cards on our application. So we're not asking them to provide us with the security code of their credit card. Yeah, so basically to protect them, we will make sure that our application is safe, and then we will get verification from other parties.
Just a quick comment. I don't think you need customer data because you just need to know that they have HSBC credit card.
Yeah, exactly.
And also the thing is, so I think your customer and who are paying and the user are different. The user are people who are shopping. The customer are the banks. So how do you think you would reach out to the users who will be using the app?
Yeah. So basically, we will do marketing, of course, digital marketing and physical marketing, because we are also a game. We intend to leverage the community inside our game, because for their friends, they can, for the users in the game, they can connect to Facebook, and then they can ask their friends to join. We'll do digital marketing on digital channels like Facebook, and then we also advertise our application so that they can promote our app by word of mouth or things.
Have you given any consideration or have you thought about how much it's going to cost to start this business? How much would you need to get this going?
How much cost?
How much money do you need to start?
Yeah, I think for
If you haven't thought about it, that's
no problem. I think for this project.
That would be really good. Maybe each weigh 1,000.
at least.
All right. Okay, so thank you very much. So next team up.